Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to use and collect pre-filled forms. So let's say you've got a form and there's a bunch of questions that you think you might know the answer to already, or you know there's going to be a lot of respondents who have a specific answer for different questions. You might have some where it's different, but you know that there's going to be a bunch of repetitious responses from different people. So what you can do is you can actually generate a link to a form that already has that information filled in, which will make it a little bit easier on the people filling out your form. All right, so here I've got a form. The question basically asks, what school district do you work for? It's a short answer question. It's not a paragraph. School district titles typically aren't that long. But if I go up to the snowman menu and I click on Get Pre-Filled Link, all right, so the directions are to fill in the answer. All right, so I'm going to do MSD of Boone Township. And then once I have the answer in there that I want, and I can do this for as many of the questions on the form that I want, I can click on Click Link or Get Link. All right, it generated a link, so I'm going to copy that and I'm going to open that in a new browser. And now it opens up that form with that question, but the information that I entered is already there. So if I don't need to update that, I don't need to, and I won't have to, and it will save me some time. If you're going to have a lot of questions where this might be the case, this would be a good idea to add to your form so that users don't spend a lot of time on questions that you already kind of know the answer to anyway. All right, and that is how you can get a pre-filled link for your Google form.